quick battery change. Let's try this again. Happy Wednesday evening, everybody. It's about 5:30 on a Wednesday, April 16th. So we had some pretty good wind this last weekend, and one of Dad's shed doors got pulled loose, track come loose, so I got a handful of tools in the bed of the truck, and we're gonna go see what we can figure out. See you over there. Okay, well, I was over to Dad's, looked at the barn. I gotta get some longer bolts. We're gonna drill them out where them lag bolts used to go. Anyway, it's about mowing season. So I got the mower in here. We're gonna try and get it up in the air. I'm pretty sure I got an oil filter around here for it. And it started. Battery was up. So yeah, we'll get it. We'll get her up in the air. Okay, it's good and warmed up. Heads are hot. Oil's good. So yeah, I went into the back frame here. Filter's right here. She's warm. Here's your drain for your engine oil, right there. It's on the wrong side though. Might have set her down and put a block under this side. She leans the wrong way. You know what I need to do? I don't think that'll work neither. Yeah, we'll figure it out. And I got new blades. We'll get the blades off, clean the deck up. We'll take a look at it. Alright, took a little figuring, but I ended up putting a spacer on this side, small one on this side. That drain tube comes from the front left corner of the block down there, low. So my lift is not quite level because of the slope in the floor, so that's why I put another block here. And ended up putting a 2x4, let me show you, under the front. From across from one to the other. I didn't like the way they were sitting underneath there. So yeah, got the drain pan over here. Let's see if you guys can see what's going on down here. 3/4 and 1/2 1/2 inch. The oil's probably cooled off by the time I got done screwing around with all this stuff. There we go. See if I can reach the dipstick and pull that. There we go. That'll help her run. Found the filter that I had laying around. So we're good. So now we can raise her up even farther. And see if we can get the blades off. Drop my plug. Alright. We'll put you up there. And the filter is right up in there. And that all drains out of this hole. So we'll wait and screw that off when we can move the drain pan over there. As far as blades, whew. Yeah, they're getting, wow, getting thin on the back. Look at that. I don't remember what size those are. That size. What does that say? 1 1/8 inches. All right, we'll get the impact and we'll get them knocked off of there. All right, well, I know you probably can't see that well. All right, these got the round hole in them. If I'm not mistaken, the blades I got have a star. Let's check that out. Well, look at that. She's worn. It's actually cracked. Worn clear through right there. I don't know, does that show up on the camera? Obviously you can see the crack, but all right, let's go find, let's see the middle one. The middle one's cracked too. Look at that, she cracked all the way down through there. Both sides. Yep. The far left one, yeah, she's worn too. They've been sharpened quite a few times. I'm gonna go find my replacement ones. All right, found my 3 new ones, Oregons. Let's take one of these and make sure they're the same. Yep. Just a little bit more to the new ones. Okay. So, we've got blades. I see the oil's done running. So now we'll go take that filter off. All right. Just wonder if I can spin this off by hand. Oh, well, yeah, okay. Well, that makes me happy because the one wrench, my pliers, filter pliers that I was looking for, I couldn't find. So, let's take her back up a little bit so we can get the drain pan under it again. Now that it's loose. Will you fit? Oh yeah. Okay. This is gonna make a mess. Yep, we got a mess. All right, what is that? That is a 83 283. $123.45. All right. Well, I guess we'll need to do some investigating. Hang on here. Let me grab that. It's a little shorter height-wise, but it looks to be the same diameter. Center hole's the same. All right, I think we're good. See me touch some filters together? I did that on purpose. Now I've got oil on this seal. Okay. We'll let that drain for a while. Okay, Sam and Eric stopped by. They got a new vehicle. Nice looking Ford Explorer. So I got to scrape the deck out, and I don't have any engine oil for it, and I got to stop and get bolts for Dad in the morning, so we'll get some engine oil. I'll get some full synthetic to put in it, Castrol or something. Grease the deck and the front hubs. Scrape the grass out of the deck and put the blades on, and she'll be ready to go. So yeah, we'll continue this tomorrow.